Let's go right to the point on how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. Open your web browser and go to the official Ubuntu website. Scroll down and you'll see Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Click on the green download button. Wait for the download to finish. You need to download VirtualBox. We already have a video about that. You'll find it in the description. After downloading VirtualBox, follow my steps carefully. Choose the ISO image of Ubuntu that we downloaded, then click Next. Set up your username and password next. In this part, it depends on your computer hardware, so choose however you want. Now do the same for the virtual hard disk, then click Next and finish. Now follow me and let's set up the environment. Here you can create your account, and after all that, it should be ready to install. So click on the green installation button and wait. Now just restart the machine and it'll be ready to use.